Hi everyone! So, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Again, I am Rain.
I am Tish from the Yala Realtor.
So, basically now, we're about to sunduin kasi namin yung anak namin, no? Here in New Valley. So, basically, before that, since medyo maaga pa, what we will do for today's vlog, no? We will show you one of the existing commercial establishment if you are living here inside New Valley. So again, no, this is existing. So ito kasi, this one is not inside New Valley, but it is close to New Valley, no. So if you're living here in New Valley, pagdating mo sa residential part, siguro it will only take you less than 5 minutes from all the residential villages here to this commercial establishment. So yan yung pupuntahan natin today or right now. So samahan nyo kami, and then if you have questions or if you want to have suggestions in terms of our future contents, we're very grateful if you will comment down below. Okay? So basically, this is still part of the Canlubang area. This is just it's what we call Carmel Town. Yan. Ito binabaybay natin ngayon. This is what we call Carmel Town. So this is part of the Yulo properties na malapit yung New Valley. So dito kami usually dumadaan when we go to SLEX, kung ayaw namin dumaan ng Calax, no? So this is one of the nearest access if you want to go to South Luzon Expressway coming from the residential part of New Valley. So basically, ang tawag sa exit na to is Silangan exit. So that's right, if you're coming from Metro Manila or Manila, that's right after Eton exit. So on our left side here, yan. Hindi lang lagi nababanggit ito sa ibang vlogs, no? Pero may malapit na Catholic school which is San Sebastian College, Canlubang. From our home, it only takes us 4 minutes diba? So now, we're still in the Carmel Ray or Carmel Town proper na ito rin before it was owned by the Yulo family kasi malaki nga yung development ni Yulo. So as you can see, sa left side, ito yung Shell. No? Dito ako madalas nagpapa PMS. So ito sa right side. When you turn right here, yan na yung going to SLEX exit, which is yung Silangan exit nga, no? Yan, when you turn left. So ito, sa left side naman, ito naman yung the junction. Yan. Ito yung sinasabi naming one of the nearest development if you are in New Valley. So tara, samahan nyo kami. So we are here at the junction. This is in Carmel Ray. So why are we talking about this, or why are we discussing this, or why are we highlighting this? Actually, hindi naman siya sobrang highlight, no? Kasi sa New Valley naman, there will be commercial establishments din na mas malapit. Dito rin kami actually nagpapa-laundry. No, the laundry here has a pick up and drop off. We used to have helper, pero since we were busy, we decided na kami na lang. Ayun, independent, we do our own laundry. If sobrang dami, nagpapa-laundry kami. Pero what's nice here is there is a pick up and drop off laundry na malapit sa villages, like 5 minutes away. And at the moment, siguro parang ang sinacharge lang sa amin is 70 pesos, no? Tama ba?
Mali.
Magkano?
Parang per load?
Hindi per load. What do I mean is yung when they pick up and drop off.
Okay. Oo. Parang 70 to 100.
Yes. So 70 to 100 pesos additional charge to pick up and drop off your laundry. What else? Meron tayong may bank dito. We have banking already na malapit. Meron tayong gasoline station na malapit. We have Shell here. Doon din ako madalas nagpapa-PMS ng kotse.
Actually, may play school na here. We could, papakita rin namin sa inyo. Yung parang pinaka-facade ng play school. So, If you have kids also, ages 2 years old to 4, ganyan, bago sila mag-proper school, mag-big school, pwede nyo rin ipatry sa kanila to kasi syempre, for us parents, okay rin na meron silang activities.
The reason why din na sinasabi namin sa inyo to or discuss namin sa inyo to kasi if you're living here in New Valley na, isa to sa mabe-benefit nyo din. Given this junction is not part of New Valley, pero since this is so close in New Valley, kayo rin halos yung magbe-benefit din ito. Kasi if I'm not mistaken, this is still part of the Yulo properties before no? Ito part pa rin siya eh. And
Actually, dun sa isang vlog namin, pinakita namin dun yung The Mills. So, The Mills is also part of this Carmel town or this Carmel Ray. So, aside sa may existing na country club, ito rin, may enjoy nyo rin. And then, sa gabi, meron naman parang mercato or like kainan dito sa kainan dito sa side, sa right side.
Sa right side namin. So basically, yun siya. Ang daming pang mangyayari, ang dami pang developments na mangyayari. Could you imagine, no? Ang gusto ko lang dito sa spot namin is panay greens, as you can see, no? Panay, fresh air, tapos less pollution. In a while, we will pick up our son already. Yun lang naman yung reason why we did this or why we do this today's vlog is for you to for you to see kung ano ba yung mga developments pa na existing, yung mga hindi niyo pa masyadong nakikita or na papanood sa YouTube. And especially if kung wari kayo yung clients na yung tipong we're able to buy during the pre-selling or for our clients, in our case, for our clients abroad na hindi pa umuuwi, we're able to purchase na. Isa to sa mabe-benefit nyo once you go home. From our village, it took me only 4 minutes drive going here. Very, New Valley is very promising community, not just the New Valley development itself, but yung katulad ng mga ganito, yung mga nearby establishments, diba?
Yes, so kasi kumbaga, sumasabay rin yung community around sa development na nangyayari kay New Valley. So, yun din yung kinagandahan kasi syempre, when you're going family or like yung retirement stage na, malaking bagay kasi na meron rin napupuntahan ng mga ganito. What more pa kapag number 1 na-develop na si buong New Valley, tapos may ganito pa. So, yun talaga yung pinaka-concept ng estate. Yung hindi ka naaalis kasi andito ka na lang sa'yo.
Yes. So, once we mention the full development, again, hindi siya lahat gagawing houses, residential, or commercial, no. Talagang design si New Valley to preserve the nature. Parang I think, if not mistaken, more than half of the New Valley is designated talaga for open spaces or greeneries, no? You always hear naman to sa amin, no, whenever we discuss in our vlogs. Sobrang happy kami that we were able to buy kahit hindi sobrang laking property dito sa New Valley. Pero the fact na lang na you will be able to benefit all the amenities inside the estate and outside the estate. Sobrang grateful tayo doon. And again, when you're buying properties, diba, it's a legacy building and kaya very crucial ang real estate investment. It's about legacy building and syempre, if it's legacy building, you should really know and you should really study the location and how strategic it is at the moment. Not just at the moment, but in the future. Kasi nagde-develop lahat nagde-develop, lahat gumaganda. Syempre, it's because of the growing population din of the Philippines, diba? Pero if you will be able to secure a property na sobrang well master planned, sobrang ganda ng hangin, diba? Like here in Calamba, Laguna, which has the cleanest air in the Philippines, no? Sobrang sulit ng lahat. Yun lang naman yung agenda namin for today's vlog. I hope kahit paano nagkaroon ulit kayo ng panibagong idea na ma-in love dito sa New Valley and sa mga kalapit nitong mga developments. Actually, we'd love to hear your purpose, no? We'd love to hear your plans. And hopefully, we'll be able to, somehow direct you to the right property for you. So again, I am Rain.
I am Tish.
from the Ayala Realtor. Bye-bye!